Django doesn't update HTML template after Model.Save. I have a Django application using django-rest-framework. When I do an ajax call that changes a model field, and then trigger a JavaScript location.reload, the reloaded page still contains the deleted model. On the database the deleted field is true, and on my template I make this. When I reload the Django web server it no longer shows the media.deleted objects. Edited. The ajax request is when I modify the objects using a regular Django form, for example when create an object, the page reloads properly. Addition 2. The implementation of the issue.getMedia on the issue model.
Can you try to use location.reload, true? Maybe it takes page from cache.
Try adding the never_cache decorator to the view responsible for page rendering, or to the dispatch method if it's a CBV.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.